Yeah. Let's hit the next one. Let's go to France and speak with Christophe. Christophe, welcome to the show, my friend.
Hi, hello, Uncle Bob, Eric, Pretty Sarah, Grandma. Happy birthday for Eric.
Hey, thanks, Christophe. Appreciate that.
Hi, Christophe.
It's always with so much pleasure that I participate in this fantastic radio show. I like to hear you tell your rich experiences of life on the career.
Well, thank you, sir.
Thanks to give us these moments with you live.
Well, it was a pleasure living it and still living it and enjoying it, you know.
It's a pleasure. Today I have to very tricky question about moments of your life.
Yes.
First, I wanted to know if you can tell us about how your parents met for the first time.
Yes, my mother was 15 years old, and my grandfather had a meat market business, and my father would pick up the meat and deliver it to the people in that neighborhood, and he was 16 and she was 15, and the rest is the party's over. They became kissing and hugging friends, and then she gave birth to Roberto Conrado, or Robert Conrad as he's known in the streets.
Thank you for the story, Uncle Bob. For my second question, I wanted to know how you met your first wife, and did you know immediately that she would be the mother of your children?
Yeah, well, she was the mother of my 5 children. I've had 9, but she was mother of 5, and she and I met at her house. Her father was a tennis player, and I worked at this country club. And my job was to make sure that the participants had their tennis balls and that everything was clean and everything in the locker room was the way they wanted it. And he questioned me about what I was doing, and I told him I was working here for the time being, and I had intentions of moving on to a university. And he said, well, I have a little party, and I'd like you to come to it. I said, well, thank you, sir. And I went to the party, and this girl came walking down the stairs from the 2nd floor, and I looked at her, and I went, oh, my goodness gracious me.
Oh, boy.
And that was the woman I later had the privilege of marrying when we were both 16.
Youngsters.
Kids.
Babies.
Guys,
stick around. More great stuff coming up. Christophe, did you want to hang on for a minute?
Last question for Uncle Bob.
Okay, great. Yeah, hang on there, Christophe. When we come back from the break, one more question all the way coming to us from France. Give us a call, 818-353-1276. It is the PM show with Mr. Robert Conrad.
And
I'm Eric Hines.
And
Sarah. And Grandma.
Hey, Grandma, say hi.
Hi.
That's the gang.
Sarah, did you say hi?
Hi.
There you go. Get those women equal
Get
time.
that thing going. All right, we'll be back right after this.
No more of this Spanish singing.
I think Christophe had some more questions for you, Bob. Let's bring Christophe all the way from France.
What's next?
My last question for the show, Uncle Bob. You have become father very young, but I want to know, how have you considered your family life at this time, becoming a father?
A father?
A dad?
A grandfather.
Oh.
I have 24-year-old grandchildren.
Oh.
So I'm not just a father, but I'm a and I got to see my daughter Sunday with Grandma and her son, who's my grandson, who's 24. And life moves on for some of us.
Okay. Okay, that's it for my phone call today, Uncle Bob. Thank you for taking the time to answer my question.
I cannot wait until June or July to see you in France, and I will definitely this time get there. And this is my word. I will definitely get there this time. Okay?
I hope so, Uncle Bob. I'm proud to share this moment with you. It's an honor for me to be present each week to listen you tell us your beautiful experiences of life. It's an honor for me.
Oh, it's my honor to have this opportunity and privilege to talk to you. And like I say, c'est la vie. I'll see you then, all right?
You're an example for me, Uncle Bob.
Thank you.
Have a good show. God bless you. Next week, au revoir, mes amis.
Oh, au revoir,
bye.
Mes amis. Bye-bye.
There goes Christophe all the way from France. Now taking it to